Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I would invite you to subscribe and to like this video. I try and publish how-to videos weekly on fixing things not only on your cars, but home repair and other miscellaneous things. Like today's video, if you saw one of my previous videos about a collection of tools that I got for 20 bucks, I got this set of Husky professional tools. And as you can see, it is missing a fair amount of things, but most excitingly, it comes with some ratchets. And these ratchets definitely could use some attention. You can hear how loud they are. So let me show you how to grease these things to help them last for years to come. On these older style ratchets, you can actually see there's a little ring right here, this little black ring that is a clip that you can take off. It is a little bit of a pain, but I'll show you how to take it off. See, there it is. There's that ring. So you're just looking for one of these pieces here to catch. And as you probably saw in the video, I just wedged my pick underneath it and then spiraled it around so it would come off. Then we just push it through. And that's how simple these things are. Let's give it a good clean with our wire brush before we put it back in. So we're not wasting our time. Always check the condition of the teeth. That way if there's any majorly broken or chipped, you know just to get this warranted at Home Depot rather than continuing on. This looks good. So I say we just put our grease of choice in and call it good. Links to everything I use below. Here's my choice. I prefer a heavier grease here for something that's has a smaller teeth count. Now get one end of that circ ring on to hold the gear to the handle. That. Then I just use my pick to wedge it in place. Now for the sound check. That's a lot better. This will help it last a little bit longer just to prevent that metal on metal contact that those teeth will have. That's why a little bit of lube helps out. Questions or comments, please put it below on this Husky 22202 3/8 ratchet. Any suggestions or tips always are welcome below as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. If you didn't already know, the head of the ratchet here has knurling. That way you can use your hand to twist the socket.